What's the meaning of border? Border. Border.
Border. Border. The term border refers to the dividing line or boundary between two geographical regions, such as countries or states. It can also refer to a specific area or point where these boundaries intersect. Borders play a significant role in defining political, economic, and social relationships between different territories and their inhabitants. The control of borders is often a contentious issue, with disputes arising over issues such as immigration, trade, and security. Moreover, border regions can be areas of cultural exchange and diversity, but they can also be zones of conflict and tension. In summary, borders are crucial markers of identity, sovereignty, and power in the modern world.